Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can host our Angular project on Firebase. What we want to do basically is just we want to make our Angular project accessible via a link like that. The name.web.app. So yeah, let's do that. I know this is not piano content, but ek het my dood gesukkel om dit reg te kry, so it might be worth sharing, who knows. I just finished making a Firebase project. It's called YouTube Angular Awesome. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get a working directory or a workspace. My workspace is just under documents / Angular, and there's my folder. So let's take a leap of faith and delete that, and let's do it from scratch. So this is the directory that we are going to use to host our sites. YouTube Angular Awesome. Like that. And go into that folder, shift right click PowerShell. Before we host anything, we need to create a new Angular project. So ng new YouTube Angular Awesome. And it's going to build that for us. Do we want Angular routing? Yes, you do. Style sheet, CSS, and let's just wait for that. Finally the time has come. Before we do anything, now we need to make sure that in this new project we have the stuff that we want to host. So I'm just going to grab a source file from Stack Blitz. Let's take that source folder. I'm going to copy that and put it into Angular-YouTube Angular Awesome. In that there's source. I'm just going to paste it in there, replace. Okay. Alright, so close the command shell. Go into, make sure you're on the working directory. Right click, shift right click, PowerShell, and then we do a build, ng build prod. Prod is production. This takes about 30 seconds. Now we need to connect this to Firebase. And how we do that? Firebase, login. I'm probably already logged in, so initialize. Firebase initialize, and are you ready to proceed? Yes, we are. What we want to do is we want to host, so space, enter, host, use an existing project. This is our Firebase project. Alright, so this is the one we just created, the one up top, Angular Awesome C8333. Nice. So select that one. Our public directory is distributable, I guess, / whatever the project name is, YouTube Angular Awesome. Rewrite, no. So it makes a 404 file. Overwrite the index, no. Alright, so now the initialization is complete. Next up is we deploy, so Firebase deploy. Now it's basically uploading all our files to the Firebase project. Angular Awesome -ca333.firebase. You can replace this with a web.app as well, and you can change this to a more, a nicer name, but it's not necessary right now. Also access your files or your project via web.app, like that. It's exactly the same. Bam.